This is question 28 and it involves numbers written in standard form and also putting them in order. So we can see that we've got four numbers here and we've got to put them in order starting with the smallest number. So in order to do that comparison, what I'm going to need to do is write them all in ordinary form without the powers. So we can see these have got powers on them. The 6.72 times by 5, what I can do is I can take that number and I can move the decimal point 5 places because the power there is 5 to the right. And I can add zeros as I need for it to jump over, the decimal point to jump over. So there we go, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to stick another 0 there, 4, stick another 0 there. Now it's jumped past the end of the last one. So this number is 672,000. So 672,000. For the next number, we can see that the power is actually to the -4, which means we're going to start off with the 67.2, but we're going to move the decimal point to the left this time because the minus means that the real number is actually smaller than 67.2. So we're going to move this 1, 2, 3, 4 places, putting zeros in place there, and so this is 0.00672. Now look at the next one. We've got 672 times 10 to the 4, and the decimal point is actually after the 2 at the moment. So I'm going to move it to the right because I've got a positive power on the 4 there, so it's a positive number. So we're going to have to stick some zeros there. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the last 0 there. Decimal point ends up there. So this is 672,000. So this is actually 6 million. So the 6 is in the millions column there. 6,720,000. And the final one, we don't need to do anything to because this is already written in ordinary form. So now what we need to do is compare the numbers. So starting with the smallest number, and we can see that this one, now we can do the comparison. This one is actually the smallest number. Then if we go to the next smallest, it's this one. The next biggest, or the next one along, is this one. And finally, we've got the 6,720,000. And to complete the question, what I need to do is just write them back in the form they were written in the first place. So I just need to remember which one was which. So the first one is just that decimal. The second one, this one, was actually this one with a negative power. And the next one, the 672,000, was actually the first one there. And the final one, the largest number, is actually 672 times 10 to the 4. And that's it, we've completed the question. So I hope that's been helpful to you. And if it has, please consider subscribing to our channel and also giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.